These are my dedicated track wheels for my Caterham. They perform brilliantly on track, but I've never really been too keen on the orange. So today I'm going to see if a DIY respray can transform them. With that, let's get to it. So here are my track day wheels that I bought maybe about 6 months ago for my Caterham. And I originally was attracted to them because they're orange and it matched the car. So I thought, why not? But over time, the orange look, I'm not really that keen on. So yeah, what I'm going to do today is see if I can transform them with a DIY respray job. So they'll be going from orange to anthracite. So here is what I'm using today. I've got some alloy wheel anthracite black metallic spray paint, some grit to rub down the current powder coating and give the paint a bit of a key to grip onto, and some panel wipe. So yeah, let's get the tyres on the wheels washed down and yeah, let's get started. And again, just because it's on the back of the wheel and not going to be that visible, I have been a bit rough with the masking tape, but it should be fine. So I'm going to do the backs first, do some primer on the exposed metal bits, just to ensure the paint can has something to bond to, and then do quick coats on the back, probably 2. And I'm going to use black, which I have left over from another sort of respray job. Just because I want to make sure the anthracite lasts on the front. So yeah, here we go, let's do it. For the front of the wheels, I'm using jumbo playing cards and wedging these in between the wheel and the tyre to protect the tyre from the paint, and overall it worked quite well. So the paint is now done and it's dry. Done about 4 or 5 coats on each wheel, and looking good. And I like the orange centre caps, just a nice sort of touch, and it ties in nicely with the orange of the car. But yeah, the wheels weren't too difficult to paint. There is some overrun in places if you look a bit closely, but yeah, I'm just still very, very happy with how it's come out, and a big improvement on what was there before. So next now is to do the lacquer. I've got a clear coat, gloss finish. So do 2 to 3 coats of that. That will protect the paint, wait for that to dry overnight, and then yeah, sometime tomorrow, get the wheels on the car and see how it looks. Three layers of lacquer now done. Hopefully the wheels should be protected a bit more than just the paint on its own, and it's given it a bit of a gloss. And yeah, looking good. Again, maybe I was a bit over enthusiastic with the lacquer or the clear coat at some points, and it's quite windy, so I had to get a bit closer to the wheel than I would have liked. But I think it's turned out all right. So yeah, as I said before, just got to wait for this to dry. Probably overnight, and we'll get them on the car tomorrow. Here we are the morning after the day before. The clear coat is now dry, and the wheels obviously on the car and looking good. Yeah, quite pleased with how those turned out. Just gives the car a bit more of an aggressive, sort of stealthy, well, as stealthy as you can be with an orange car, but yeah, the wheels don't stick out as much. They're quite prominent, the orange before, but now I think they just look spot on, especially with the orange centre caps. Yeah, happy days. Just to wrap up this video, yeah, happy with how the wheels have turned out. Probably a bit more labour intensive than I thought it would be. It took about 3 hours in total, and that was, yeah, cleaning, sanding, drying, panel wipe, 5 layers of coat, paint, 3 layers of clear coat. Yeah, but I think worth the effort. Looking very good, and yeah, obviously much better than the orange ones. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one. Cheers, bye.